Hello guys, in this episode of Design Highlight, we'll take a look at Max Marharit, a 3D concept designer from Odessa, Ukraine. We've got a number of really nice hard surface vehicles here. Let's take a look. First off, is this really nice Mars rover. Really like the solar panel details, use of color, use of detail. And I always like seeing alternate color schemes as well. Next we have this nice Submersible, something James Cameron would like, I'm sure. So it just looks, it's got that nice sci-fi look, but it also looks very nice and practical, guys. So it's always nice to see designs which are very highly detailed, but it's also nice to see designs which have, just the right amount of detail here. There are some things we like here, guys. There's some very nice, like, practical human touches. Like, when a person gets on a boat or anything that's wet, there's always a chance for slipping up and, of course, falling and hitting your head. So the fact that these little steps here are, like, rubberized and, like, anti-slip is a really good feature. And I really like seeing those kind of details, guys. You can imagine, the designer put these little practical touches in here to make it look very believable and look very practical. So I just like the fact that there are these rubber anti-slip steps right here, and there's some nice little place right here we can kind of like wait for pickup. So it's like it's good to think about those practical things, guys. Sometimes those small little details like that really show that you're thinking about how this will actually be used. It's not just a random series of shapes. You're actually putting thought into all the practical engineering aspects and how you can be comfortable and safe as well. We have these various device designs here. I always like a nice controller here. Very nice little simple design. Just right around detail. Always like to see straps. I've always had a fascination with straps. Right, got this nice defense turret. Nice armored vehicle. Nice usage of a 3D scan soldier, just to kind of accentuate things. Add some nice detail. Nice little drone helicopter here. Once again, a nice little soldier here for a size comparison. Some nice props practice. It's always nice just to have fun and just experiment with shapes without worrying too much about following a concept or making anything practical. So as you can see, guys, I have an appreciation for just pure shapes, but I also have an appreciation for more practical things as well. So I like to be very varied in that aspect. I like things that look like it actually exist, but I also like things that just exist for the heck of it, just for some fun designs. So I can appreciate both things, guys. We've got this nice Ocean Quest underwater drones. It looks like a missile here, but it's always nice to experiment with interesting shapes. Like when you have a human piloting something, you want it to look one way. And when you have no humans, you want it to look another way. So like here we have some places for humans to sit. So just looks nice and sleek, a nice sleek submersible. And then we have this drone bomber right here. Alright guys, that has been Max Marharit. Link is in the description. Be sure to check out his work. Thank you for watching and take care.